Young independent king coming through, you heard? Everybody make some room. Coco got his first disability check and EBT card. I feel like a proud father right now, bro. Just over there scooping up his dookie at the park. Today, we're going to be interviewing a retired honeybee. So, all the insects around the area are saying y'all sweet as hell. Oh!
Well, I'll be there. A homeless tiger, but it's crazy. They are supposed to be in some grass somewhere. Get a job, pal.
Okay, OG, I see you. Roach a million on a calm day, you heard? Unk filthy, but he's still clean with it.
My boy came out the egg plotting. I ain't gonna lie though, it's over for Geico. He looks like he knows how to save 16% or more of car insurance.